Hi, I'm Lukas Tan from Opulent, our company based in Penang, and we serve our customers throughout the whole Malaysia. Opulent first service is the web design. We can ensure the design website that we provide is very outstanding to give your customer a wow effect when access your website. And the second services that we provide is a software development. The way we design and deliver the software is to ensure the software is easy to adapt, easy to learn, and easy to maintain. And most importantly, the software that we design for you must be very low cost in maintenance and low cost in transfer skills. And the third services in Opulence is the app development. We can do quite a lot of customization in the apps, and most importantly, we can customize the pricing for the apps development for the Huawei, iOS, and Android. And lastly, we also provide the digital marketing, SEO, Facebook, and Google ad advertisement. If you have such kinds of the interest, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.